Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can translate language on ChatGPT. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Now to translate the language, firstly you need to get logged into your ChatGPT account. For that, firstly you need to open any web browser on a PC and there you have to search for chat.openai.com and get logged in to your ChatGPT account. And once you get logged into your ChatGPT account, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now to translate language in ChatGPT, you need to translate this into Spanish. You can type or you can copy that text and paste here and then submit this text. And there you go, ChatGPT has translated into Spanish. Now, that's how you can use ChatGPT for translation of language. Hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.